Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook delicious BBQ pork chops in the oven. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 4 bone-in pork chops, 1 cup of your favorite barbecue sauce, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and salt and pepper. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 200 degrees Celsius. Remember to pat your pork chops dry with paper towels. This helps them achieve a better sear and a lovely crust. Now, let's get those chops seasoned and seared. Generously season both sides of your dried pork chops with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Next, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in an oven-safe skillet over medium-high heat until it shimmers. Carefully place the seasoned chops in the hot skillet and sear them for 2 to 3 minutes per side until a beautiful golden brown crust forms. This step locks in the flavors. With your chops nicely seared, it's time for the oven. Transfer the skillet directly to your preheated oven. Bake them for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until their internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 63 degrees Celsius. During the final 5 minutes of baking, brush both sides of the pork chops with your favorite barbecue sauce. This ensures the sauce caramelizes perfectly without burning. Almost there. Once baked, remove the pork chops from the oven and let them rest on a cutting board for 5 to 10 minutes. This crucial resting period allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, making each bite incredibly tender and flavorful. Finally, serve your mouth-watering oven-baked BBQ pork chops with your preferred side dishes, like creamy mashed potatoes or crisp roasted vegetables. Enjoy your homemade feast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.